Have you ever wondered how to become a blockchain developer? Well, it's a fascinating journey, filled with intriguing concepts, innovative technologies, and a lot of learning. Today, we'll be delving into the step-by-step process of how to become a blockchain developer. First off, it's essential to understand what a blockchain developer does. They are responsible for developing and optimizing blockchain protocols, crafting the architecture of blockchain systems, and developing smart contracts and web apps using blockchain technology. Step 1. Start with the basics. Understand the fundamentals of blockchain technology. This includes learning about cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum, cryptography, distributed ledger technology, and consensus methods. Step 2. Learn a programming language. Blockchain developers are proficient in multiple programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, and Solidity. Python and JavaScript are great places to start as they are widely used and have a plethora of resources available. Step 3. Get hands-on with blockchain platforms. Ethereum is a great platform to start with due to its popularity and extensive use of smart contracts. Other platforms to explore include Hyperledger Fabric and R3 Corda. Step 4. Master smart contract development. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Solidity is the most popular language for writing smart contracts on Ethereum. Step 5. Dive into advanced concepts. This includes understanding decentralized applications, or dApps, exploring off-chain data and sidechains, and diving into advanced cryptography. Step 6. Build projects. Practical experience is the best way to reinforce your learning. Start with simple projects like a basic blockchain or a smart contract and gradually move on to complex applications. Step 7. Keep learning and stay updated. Blockchain is a rapidly evolving field. Staying current with the latest developments and trends is crucial to being a successful blockchain developer. To summarize, becoming a blockchain developer involves understanding the basics of blockchain, learning programming languages, getting hands-on experience with blockchain platforms, mastering smart contract development, diving into advanced concepts, building projects, and continuously learning and staying updated. It's a journey of continuous learning and innovation. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. With dedication, persistence, and a passion for learning, you can become a successful blockchain developer. So start your journey today and step into the future of technology. Until